Have you ever paused to truly appreciate the incredible artistry and complexity that exists all around us, untouched by human hands? From towering mountains to the smallest snowflake, nature is the ultimate creator. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of nature made, exploring the marvels, materials, and systems originating purely from Earth's own intricate processes. Get ready to discover the genius of the natural world. Our planet is a master sculptor, forming everything from precious gemstones to the ground beneath our feet. Think of diamonds, forged deep within Earth under immense pressure, or vibrant mineral crystals growing over millennia. Even the air we breathe and water we drink are products of vast, natural cycles, constantly purified and replenished by geological and atmospheric forces. But nature-made extends far beyond geology to the breathtaking biodiversity of life itself. Every plant, animal, and microorganism is a testament to billions of years of evolution, perfectly adapted to its environment. Consider a spider's web, stronger than steel by weight, or the photosynthetic process in a single leaf, a feat human technology still struggles to replicate. Nature also crafts essential resources and awe-inspiring phenomena. From a thunderstorm's colossal power to gentle erosion carving canyons, these natural events shape our world, providing vital resources like clean water, fertile soil, and renewable energy. They remind us of the immense, self-regulating power inherent in our environment. In essence, nature-made highlights the profound intelligence and beauty embedded in our world. These natural creations are not just beautiful, they are fundamental, providing the very foundation for life. What nature-made marvel inspires you most? Let us know in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe for more explorations into our amazing planet.